Generating subtitles or auto captions for your video is not the main issue. The main issue is that many of the editing software like CapCut, InShot, and VN Editor allow you to subscribe to their paid plan first before you can generate captions in your videos. That is why in this video, I'm going to show you 3 free ways to generate auto captions or subtitles for your video. The first method I will show you is using a website called Simplified AI. Then the second method is using another website called Microsoft ClickJam. Then the third one is using the TikTok app. Yes, TikTok app, the normal TikTok app in your phone. I'm going to show you how to use it to generate auto captions. So you want to watch this video till the very end. Open your browser and search for Simplified AI. Click on this first link here. This is Simplified AI. If you are new to it, make sure you sign up with your email account. It's completely free. For me, I've already signed up, so I will just sign in. Click on Create New at the top left corner. You will have different options: design, videos, audio. We are looking for video because it is video we want to generate subtitle for. So click on the video category. We need subtitles for our video, so click on AI subtitles. At the top right corner, shows the size of your video. Here says 9 by 16. Here says 16 by 9. So I'm creating this video for YouTube. Then I will choose the right dimension, 16 by 9. You'll see different templates that you can actually choose from to create your subtitle. If you look at each of them carefully, you see that they are already made templates. But the downside is that if you look at this crown here tells you that it is a pro version. You need to pay for the premium version. So we don't want to choose that. Let us skip it because we want to create everything for free. So after selecting the dimension, they come under here that says skip template selection. Skip it. At this place, we want to drag in the video we want to create subtitle for. So come to this option that says browse. Select the video. Here is the video, but there is no subtitle. So this is why I want to create subtitle for the video. Coming down to this option that says select language, you can select any language you want. You can select English, you can select Idu, you can select Arabic. Whatever language you choose. For me, I want to create subtitle for English. So I will select English. Then I'll come here that says generate. Alright, so the subtitle is now ready. You can see it on the screen of the video. Alright, if you come to this left hand side, this is where you can edit any of this caption. Right now, I found a mistake here, so I'll just tap on it, then go to edit. Then I will select the correct one. So anyone you want to correct, just click on it, then click on edit. Then make sure you write the correct word there, then click on correct. You can also go further to change the style of the subtitle. Just click on the subtitle. You can select the font that you want. Then here allow you to increase or decrease the size of the font. If you come to this option here, you can either position the subtitle to the left or to the right or to the middle or to the top or wherever you want it. You can also make the subtitle a kind of fancy. You come here, that says style. You can choose any of these options. So when you are happy with everything, come to the top right, export, then click on download. The second way, open your Chrome browser. This time, search for ClickJam. Then click enter. Select the first link here. This is Microsoft ClickJam. You can actually sign up for free if you haven't. It is completely free. For me, I will just sign in. Click on create a new video. Import the video you want to generate subtitle for. Here is it. Drag and drop it. Right now there is no subtitle, so I want to create subtitle for this video. Come to this top right that says captions. Click on it. Then click on try now. Select the language. You have English Nigeria, English Philippines, and just like that. I'll just leave it English United States. Then I'll click on transcribe medium. Alright, like the previous method I showed you, you can also customize your subtitle to something you like. You can click on it. Then at the right hand side, this is where you choose the font that you want. Just leave it at open sans or you choose any other font of your choice. Here allow you to choose the size of the text. Here allow you to choose the color of your subtitle. Let me just try red. Let me go back to white. So you can actually choose a different color of your choice. You can go further and click advanced. You can increase this if you want. You can add shadow as well. Alright, so you can do a lot of things here. Like the previous method I showed you, you can actually edit your subtitle if you notice there is a mistake in it. For instance, you just tap on any of the word, then hit delete in your keyboard and correct the word. That is all. Once you are happy with everything, come to this top right that says export. Choose the quality that you want. You can leave it at 1080p. It is absolutely fine. Let's go to the final way. The number 3 way. Open your TikTok app. Click on this plus icon here. Select the video you want to create caption for. Slide left until you see captions. Select it. The captions are ready.
Hi creators. How are you doing? This is Patrick YouTube channel. In this video, you will learn how to use your mobile phone and Canva.
The auto caption look nice, isn't it? If you find out any mistake in any word, just click on the word and correct it. That's all. You can choose style, click on style. You can choose any template you want. Then you click on this option that says apply all. But for me, I just want to leave it at custom. Coming to the left, you can select the language of your choice. You can choose any language you want. I just leave mine at English. When you are happy with everything, just click on this arrow here. Here comes the trick. We are not just posting this video on TikTok. We just use TikTok to generate the caption. So what we need to do, we need to hide this post from people to see. Click on this option here. Go down to who can view this post. Go down to only you. Next, click on more option. Then scroll down. Select save to device. Then when you are happy with that, click on post. I want to show you a proof that the video actually saved to my device. Here is it.
You will learn how to use your mobile phone and Canva. Hi creators. How are you doing?
Alright, so this video saved to my device because I actually selected it on TikTok. So this is how you can generate auto captions for free without paying. And that is all for today's video. If you found this video useful, please don't forget to give it a like and subscribe for more videos just like this one. And don't forget to watch the next video right on your screen. Bye.